we are going to learn science chapter 5, fundamental unit of our life. So you know why it is called fundamental unit of life. Before starting, I want to say something. It means I want to address you here. First time I am coming in front of you with the help of this media. You know, there is a many universities are there, you say, and they are running some distance courses. So people, those who are not able to go to school, you may say college, and they want to get some education, so they also you say join in this type of courses and they get certificate. Otherwise, you say if they want to learn how to learn, so this distance education made for such a type of people, you say students. So here today we are going to learn in same way here by air, you say by this media, otherwise you may say distance type education. So due to this COVID-19, because everywhere in the world, all people are now suffering from this type of critical time. So, you know, in Gujarati one pause, कहावत एक कहावत है कि भगवाने बनाव्या सांडिया तो माणसोए घड़िया काठिया. See, within 3-4 months, we all learn this, how to learn, how to get education, how to learn. That we found this, you say, way, method, with the help of different, mobile, through air classes, you may say Google Meet, Google Class, many are there. So here in YouTube you can get many other videos, but as per our own school education, this is very necessary that we have to try as per our level best to reach to you, and that is why I am trying here to explain you the chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. So our life, we all know our life, how we living, not only for us but for all living beings. It is very important to survive, to live. So it is very necessary to understand about this, that what is life, how it is going on. So for that, what is there in life that we can consider is a fundamental, basic. So with the help of this screen, you can see some pictures here, that what are living organism made of. ये किससे बना है? ये अब देखो, कोई भी बिल्डिंग्स देख लो, इतने सारे ये ट्रीज देख लो, whatever we have made ourselves, you may say man-made, whatever we can consider in a natural way, you may say by nature. So whatever thing we can see there, these are the things made of some basic materials, otherwise we will say something. So in हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि इसका रूट में, पाया में कौन सी चीज है. मान लो कोई बिल्डिंग बनाना है तो उसका फाउंडेशन क्या है, इसमें क्या रखते हैं हम, एक ब्लॉक, एक ईंट, एक जो भी रखते हैं. ऐसे ही हर एक लिविंग थिंग का जो बिल्डिंग मटेरियल है, उसमें रूट से मेन चीज क्या है, फंडामेंटल यूनिट कौन सा है, that we are going to understand here. And for that, those scientists have contributed there, that we try to understand them, we say learn, and here to speak we can understand them that see construction using same type of material, भाई एक ही टाइप का मटेरियल का यूज करके जो कंस्ट्रक्शन बनता है वही सेम काइंड का एक कोई भी लिविंग बीइंग का या कोई भी नॉन लिविंग का जो चीज बनता है, दैट वी ऑल नो वेल, दैट सी भाई आयरन रोड, bricks, cement, sand, stones, these materials in our life we all are using to build up house, you may say building, तो ये मकान बनाना है तो ये सारी चीजें जरूरत है। आयरन रोड से, सीमेंट से, सैंड से हम लोग जो बनाते हैं सीलिंग या जो जहाँ पे कॉलम की जरूरत है वहाँ पे कॉलम बनाते हैं। सो अदर यू नो ब्रिक्स, देन स्टोन वी आर यूजिंग इन मैसनरी वर्क। सो इन building whatever we are using, so which thing is here named in fundamental way, we can say this thing is there as a unit of this creation. So same way we have to understand for life what is a main as a you say unit, fundamental unit. So we can understand by this different things are using in construction using of this type of building. You will say pillar, slate, beam, wall, different things is made up by this material only. Then on the screen you can see that by this you will say with the help of this picture you can understand well how they are used. Okay, see now. Same way here is just to be taken example for the building unit, fundamental unit you may say. As it was brick, you may say block, you may say first stone, first time as we put to construct a building, same way here in living things you can see there, trees, animals, some other birds, many living beings are there. So their body also made up of some materials. So which materials and substances are there, we can understand. See here in plant, some plant cells are there, in animals, animal cells are there. So different organisms live, we can find on the earth, and they have their habitats, you know, their center place. Otherwise, they survive in different way on the earth because they have their different method to get food, to live in different geographical condition. So, how they maintain their life, they depends on their basic unit, and that we are going to understand here by this. So, you can see. Living beings are there, three ways you can find. Aerial, some are living in air, and water, aquatic animals, some are living there in water. Land, terrestrial, you will find many animals on the earth, you say land, consisting ourselves also, you say human, animal, different kinds of animals. So these all living beings, they have their own system to function. Otherwise, you say biological functions, whatever going on, they have their own systems. And these all these things are made up of by which fundamental unit, that we have to say. Up to this I am not telling you this is this, but you can understand yourself how it is functioning there, working there. See, all living organisms are made up of the same building block. So, which are these same building blocks? After this, we will learn that who was the scientist there the first time. He tried to understand and explain these building materials in unit form. So, go ahead for this. You see there the common basic structural and functional unit of living beings is called cell. Up to this I am stretching much more to say you this, but now it is here. See that basic structural unit, structural and functional. So structure made up of this of living being or any other things. Its structure is made up of with the help of this cell, and you all know in our body many cells make tissue and many tissues make organs. Many organs makes you say arranged in systematic way and makes a particular type of system. So here we have to consider this fundamental unit of living being, unit of our life is the cell, because all biological processes and functioning are going with the help of only cell. And the structure whatever developed there, this is also made up of this cell, because in root cell is responsible to form this cell. Here different kinds of cells are there, distinct structures they are making, and different shape also they Now see, in 1665 Robert Hooke in England, he first tried to study and he found that with the help of cord he found some small compartments resembles to honeycomb. You see, जैसे मधुमक्खी का honeycomb जो होते हैं मधुपुरा, उनके अंदर में छोटे 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 ऐसे खाना जैसी चीजें होती हैं। सेम वे ये कॉर्क में जो ऐसे स्पेसिस मिला उनको 1665 में, तो ये रॉबर्ट हुक ने ये बताया कि यही फंडामेंटल यानी कि शुरू का जो बोलते हैं यूनिट है, जो एक बिल्डिंग मटेरियल का इनिशियल स्टेज का फॉर्म है। सो डिस्कवर्ड सेल्स इन अ थिन सेक्शन ऑफ कॉर्क जो मेड ऑफ प्लांट्स। रॉबर्ट हुक फाउंड द सेल, स्टडी at that time whatever available was there, his own microscope से simple type of microscope was there maybe, and he tried to find out this, that here in this microscope you can see a Robert who tried to study the cell of this cork, and microscopic picture you can find here many things are there in this image. The different types of use small dot types you can see compartments there. They will empty. The cells of core were dead and without any content. Content means inside that cells no materials were there. It was the dead cell. So first he found with the help of this microscope. Then here this is the honeycomb, and next you can see that these are cells. Cells in Latin language, it means some space, rooms. In Latin language, cell considered as a small space. You may say rooms. ये कोई छोटी जगह रहने की, या तुम्हारा सेल कहाँ है, ये मेरा सेल है, मैं यहाँ रहता हूँ, ऐसे टाइप का कुछ वो लोग बोलते होंगे लैटिन में, समझते होंगे। तो ये लैटिन वर्ड है सेल्स, मीन्स कुछ स्पेस, जगह। यहाँ देखो प्लांट सेल, एनिमल सेल एंड बैक्टीरियल सेल, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सेल, एवरी लिविंग थिंग्स may be different from the other, but it made up of separate tiny units called cells. I am going to read the definition, that's right. But I want to say that they have different type of cells in size and structure, and they arrange this organism, otherwise body organs, so they have different size, shape, color and variation we are finding. So it is only due to this structure, size, shape of tiny cell. Here, next screen we can find, see as an example, taking, you say we are going to do an activity and take an example. For example, you say take onion bulb. In Gujarati we can say डुंगળી નો દડો, समझो। तो उसका एक we have to fill up, cover निकालो, and to understand small units which is we consider as a cell, so how to study this you must understand. See, with the help of this activity we can understand better what is there in cell, what kind of cell is there, what kind of compartment are there. So here one एक small watch glass taken there, slide glass slide also taken there, and we have taken with the help of the brush. Brush is made up of camel hair brush. Why camel hair? It is very smooth, soft and very velvety type. Camel hairs are very smooth, so made up of these camel hairs we have to use the brush, and with the help of the brush we have to take this small piece of onion peel on the slide, and then we have to use indicator to make the internal part visible. Indicator here, and you say sapphire indicator here, and then cover with the cover slip. And after mounting this slide, we have to adjust under the microscope to focus and visualize. Here we can do not allow air bubbles, because when you cover with cover slip, you have to take care that air should not be inside, otherwise it creates bubbles and we can't see clearly. So it should remove. Slowly, gently we have to put cover slip and then adjust this slide here under the microscope. So temporary mounting of onion peel we are studying here. Then you can understand that with the help of this microscope. As you adjust and focus, you will find same kind of image here in this slide. Here, as we see with the help of this eyelens, so we will find same kind of picture there. So see, different compound compartment type spaces are there, and inside some dots are there, and here different materials, because this is the living cell, and that's why we are finding some materials in this onion cell. So nucleus is there, you will say different persons have found this. So to understand this small unit of cell, we will follow this activity, and after that we can see that if we observe this rectangular structure attached to each other, ये rectangular structure जो है एक दूसरे के साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं, attached है, तो this shows that so what kind of cell is there. And now after that you see compound microscope, advanced microscope came into existence, and different type size of onion cells are there, so in different cell. So this only size change, the material is same. Next, through this we can understand onion bulb. See, material same, size different. Then this is the question, why it is so? After doing this activity, what do we observe? हमने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया, क्या देखना मिला? तो देखो, कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप गिविंग क्लियर एंड clean image. So different size of onion bulb show similar basic structure. They have same basic structure. Size may be different, but inside structure same. Basic structure 3 here same. Different onion bulb, small one, bigger one, different shape of this onion bulb. Different shape and size of onion, yet we are getting similar basic structure. So it means they have the similar kind cell to form this onion. So next we can understand here that see the basic structure is same in different, and some same compartment we are finding there in this basic structure. So all living things, whatever we are observing around us, they made up of building units called cell, these cells. So this screen now giving you this study material to understand and to make easy what is cell and how it is made up of. You will say our body made up of how. So next, through the screen, 1674, Llewellyn Hook studied again about this cell, and see through the microscope, with the help of the microscope, he tried to see this cell, and then another 1831 Robert Brown also tried to study about the cell with the help of the advanced microscope, because before previously whatever we learned that Robert Hooke was there, and he had primitive type as the simple type of microscope, but after that as technology